Right, not sure if you guys can hear me. I'm just trying to test out this camera and microphone. If you can hear me, let me know. This is the first time I'm doing this. I've never gone live before and really don't expect to, but here we are. Right, not sure if you guys can hear me. I'm just trying to test out this camera and microphone. If you can hear me, let me know. This is the first
Don't ask
time
me
I'm
how I
doing
managed
this.
to get that
never gone
working. I
live
have
before
no idea.
and really don't expect to,
But anyway,
here we
I've
are.
just
Right, not sure if you guys can
put a
hear
new
me. I'm just trying
SSD
to
and
test
a
out
new
this
stick of
camera
RAM
and
in this
microphone.
old laptop,
Oh,
and I'm
excellent.
just about to close it up.
This is the
Don't
first
ask
time
me
I'm
how
doing
I
it.
So nothing very exciting
I have
happening,
no
I'm
idea.
afraid.
Really don't
Just
expect to,
boring old bench
but anyway,
stuff
I've
today.
just,
Got a
right,
few
not sure if you
things
guys
to
can
look
put a
at,
new SSD and a
but
new stick of RAM
nothing
in
out of
this
the
old
ordinary,
laptop.
except
I'm just about to close it up.
don't ask me how
So nothing very exciting happening,
except
I'm
for this
afraid.
thing. Just boring old bench
But anyway,
stuff
I've
today.
just,
Which
things to look at.
a lady got in touch with me and asked me if I'd have a look at it, and I thought, what, a hair removal thingy?
So nothing very
And then I went
exciting
online and had a
happening,
look
I'm
at the
afraid.
price, and I thought, bloody hell, okay, I'll have a look at it for you. So apparently she hasn't used it for quite some time, and the battery's gone flat and it's too flat to charge. So and then I went online and might be able to rejuvenate the battery, or I'll have to change it. I don't know. I don't even know if I could get into it.
So apparently she hasn't used it.
I might make a
for quite
video
some
on that as
time,
well.
and
The battery's gone flat and it's too flat to charge. So and then I went online and might be able to rejuvenate the battery, or I'll have to change it. I don't know. I don't even know if I could get into it.
So apparently she hasn't used it.
I might make a
for quite
video
some
on that as
time,
well.
and
The battery's gone flat and it's too flat to charge. So oh, okay. I haven't figured something out yet. The battery, or I'll have to change it. I don't know. I don't even know if it. Alright, can you hear only one of me now? No, I don't think I'll be working on the model. I'll be working on the hair removal laser thingy. So if I show up bald, you know why. Oh, excellent. Right, yeah, I had the desktop audio on for some reason. This is the first time I've installed OBS. I have no idea what I'm doing, so if I'm messing up along the way, please let me know. And yes, I did splurge and get one of the screwdrivers that Soren uses. Couldn't help myself. I love this thing, but the only thing I don't like is the magnet isn't really strong enough. So if it grips really hard onto the screw, then you're liable to just pull the screwdriver away from the bit, which is a bit of a pain. This thing has got a load of mismatched screws because it came in missing a load of screws and I didn't have exact ones. But it also came in with sticky tape holding the rubber, these rubber feet. I don't know what, they're not really feet, but rubber strips. He had pieces of clear
packing tape over the strips because they kept falling out. So it was sliding all over the bench. Pointless, really. So I've got some different sized double-sided tapes. So I'm going to do a proper job on that for him. And just clean it up, make it look new again. I haven't figured out the camera mount yet. It's stuck onto my fume extractor, which is no good because if I need to use the fume extractor, then I have no camera at that point. So I'm trying to figure out what I can use that I can mount on the wall rather than the desk, because I don't want the camera to get bumped if the bench gets bumped. Right, there's one here. Right. Let's get the grey one out, put it in there where you can see it. And now for some tape. And now we'll get the old crap off of that with some IPA. You've got to be careful with these because they stretch very easily. You can cut them, of course, if they stretch, but it's not really a problem. Still had a piece of tape on that. I should probably not do this on the laptop. Peel that off. Yeah, it's definitely stretched. Okay, that'll do. On this one, pretty much, I just have to clean it up. I installed an SSD and some RAM. I had a stupid Intel Optane thingy. If I can't find it, there it is there. Somewhere. Anyway, it had a 16 gig Intel Optane SSD and a 1 terabyte hard drive. And it was getting painfully slow. So I had to break the RAID thingy in the BIOS. It's kind of like a Mac Fusion drive. And just as pointless, really. So it's now running on an SSD, and I've left the hard drive in there for storage or backup or whatever he wants to use it for. I wasn't actually planning to stream because that's not really a goal of mine. I don't think I'm entertaining enough to keep people's attention. I can get away with it if I edit stuff together, but I don't know if I'm entertaining enough to just sit here and talk to you guys. I'm not much of a what to say. I'm not very outgoing as it is, so this is kind of new grounds for me. I'm alright talking to customers. I mean, I kind of go into businessman mode and talk to my customers, but when it comes to stuff like this, I don't think I'm much of an entertainer. Maybe I'll get better at it, I don't know. Hey JFix, I have no idea what I'm doing, but he is streaming apparently. Right, next piece of tape. I actually closed this laptop up already, and when I actually went to put Windows on it and install everything, I realized it only had 4 gigs of RAM, so that's why I had to open it up again. I can't give it back to him like that. This is not 2015. And that one is also stretched. Right, there we go. I see the crowns on the chat, but I have no idea what they mean, to be honest. What do the crowns mean? Ah, okay. I probably should have checked this again. Oh, it is coming on. Oh, it's just me removing the battery. Right, let's make sure we've got all the RAM in there. Yeah. I found out how to make an app on my to go to my contact page. So I've gone into Edge, and then you go to apps, and then you say install this site as an app, and it will create a shortcut which you can put on the desktop, on the taskbar, and on the start menu. So I just go to my business website, and it also takes the icon off of it. So if I open that, it opens up as an app. It's not desktop size, but I think you can open it up. There we go. So go straight to the contact page. And that's me. No. Right, I think that's wrapped up. We can put that away. I've got something you guys might like. Let's get that out of the way. I bought one of these big heat mats. I already have one of the silicone mats, but it's very thin, and it tends to bulge upwards when it gets some heat from the hot air. So I've got one of these high temperature resistant insulating pads from Relife. I think I've ordered this about 3 times, and each time it's gone out of stock, but it's quite thick. And yeah, I can't wait to try it out with my hot air station. See how we get on with that. I have got some other bits and pieces that I've got from AliExpress, which I shall endeavour to make a little opening video, little tools video, because I just can't stop buying stuff from AliExpress. It's like a disease at this point. Yeah, baking mat. I actually did look at some of those on Amazon, but I haven't actually seen one in the flesh. I don't know how good it would be. Probably be even better than this. I'm kind of shocked that there are actually people on the stream and chatting. Kind of didn't expect that, to be honest. So thank you guys. And now that I know it works and it's all set up, or almost, until I get a stand for the camera, I shall love you and leave you and try and make some more videos now that I've got a proper camera, because I was using my old Motorola phone, which has done well, but it runs out of space very quickly. So now I've got a proper camera and I can make some proper videos finally. Well, thanks for coming, and love you guys. Talk to you later, and I'll see you on the Discord.